narrow escape from a shark. Stiff upper lip, except powdered Elvis. Texas Super Pig cherishes his twangy foreskin with greenbacks. Statue of Liberty goes to the soup of jellyfish. A bunch of stray letters on the lookout for a sticky scripture. Lapis lazuli kept coming through the gates of a certain bazaar. This made the tax collectors interested, and thus started all civilization. And the big masjid in Balkh was built by a thankful devotee and his craftsmen. This caught the eye of the Mongols, and the army of the great Khan devastated Balkh, but they stayed on growing the weed of Ali. Stray sailors seeking out the black continent. Saffron powder on black skin, magic potion on night table. Alas, far darker than acid. Silently sits the zombie, but the superior being is still growing. Calamities occur, but are insignificant, and as such don't enter the annals of recorded memory. Oh, they wither, blackout. Sad tourists of mental barbecue depend on their own Jerusalem. Black geckos alert Bali, sounding hollow tree trunks. Javanese jungles scarce as hell. Local spirits living in black volcanic ash. Toxic flags show the way near Nadir celebration. Stampede of ghosts possessing the brain, yet in the rain you are never the same again, though the billboard is black and the city boy says, it's just like on film. Earth's asbestos lungs hung in the air, cats came cradling Kasi constant yesteryear. The porthouse lay in ruins after wild attacks, and those who could fled in minor vessels. Rubber dolls fed on human waste slung on the trails. Dark champions appeared as the new heroes on the screen. Time fell like leaden drops on the solicitor's face. Oddballs came slithering down some greasy tracks. Chewing gum was in the shower with fluffy darlings. As calculators got metal fatigue, bats broke boomtown banners brought from distant shores. Tomorrow never came, it's plain to observe. The monk freak would sit in constant stupor. Chambermaids reached for common dirt left on the trays. Black scorpions arrived at the new frontiers on the screen. Space sneaked on lizard steps into the human mirror mind. Hill ghosts stood shivering on the hindsight flights. Master plan was on the skid row, all due to changelings. Blood sugar down, you're gonna need some sugar. Blood sugar down, you're gonna eat some sugar. Blood sugar down, you're gonna need some honey. Blood sugar down, you're gonna lick some honey. Poetic aim, bulk deployment of dissonance. Dervish stung by enigmatic words on a heat hammer, crossroads of pulverized marbles and corn on the cobs. The raw material is pure dog shit in metropolitan streets. The raw material is racial clashes for no apparent reason. The raw material is punch clocks situated outside the loo. The raw material is dismembered brains looking for a skull. The raw material is social unrest boiled in crowded soup kitchens. The raw material is piss-stinking corners with black rubber whores. The raw material is discarded workers feeling utterly useless. The raw material is fucking capitalists using their advantage. The raw material is dead cells in the penitentiary of the mind. The raw material is king-size crustaceans crawling from the sewers. The raw material is burnt love in closed-down coffee shops. The raw material is an OD in the upstairs shooting gallery. The raw material is fierce purple awkward passion deluxe. The raw material is a throbbing cock in the flesh garden. The raw material is plutonium pollution singing the blues. The raw material is people pushed to pulp on the stadium. Culture cracks showing at the bottom of pale fear. Wobbly birds piling up in the supermarkets to the tune of gum-soft ambience. Whereas outside loneliness becomes another road movie. Skyscapes are tinted in unforeseen colors. The seeker can only marvel at their weirdness. Now we must go for the world. Liberty rides out on a quest for greenbags. On the television screen, democracy is showtime. The American dream is narrow escape from a shark. Ooh, in the night. she sends eyes towards the lonesome warrior and blows cryptic scriptures up on the walls. She carries coals to her own fire, and she makes love so the dogs must get the shivers down on the path. Oh, long is the night, I'm her sacrificial being, twisting rhythmically on the altar. The heart of the flesh, throbbing bass lines. Basement-style pigeons are serving smiles. The wealthier you look, the bigger the smiles, by professional implants, doubtful provenance. Steady flow cars passing by, and in the headlights, the fluid in the gutter turns into shining pure gold, streaming towards the central station. You want a ticket to ride, you want a ticket to split, you want a ticket to go, you want a ticket to float, you want a ticket to live, you want a ticket to sail, you want a ticket to fly. Jump! Fire på! Flames frozen. Facilitates sojourn on dried pulp. I should have cried the day Gregory died, but a tough mother eye sent fresh air up the sky and hoped that Greg would breathe in a bit of that and send lofty breezes into my lyrical sail, skirting me randomly across free poetic fields. Mirror of Luna, fountain of sheer madness, door of house, picture wall, metal steps, mental slopes, Mount Everhard, Lord of glaciers and melting pots, revolutionary masses, I'm on. Pale kisses on artful, till another decade. No wonder they want to see blood. Collector of torsos in vertical containers, with peepholes towards nightly firmament. Moontan sheen looks different seen from up 117 floors. Microdots deep down, old age women, hunched over litter along the curbstones. This elevation renders cockroaches non-existing. In the cradle of crossbones, stand up, take thy babe. Be thee outer here. Those who cannot walk are more than just lame. They are up the unmentionable creek. So you fucking escaped the scene. The distance has a craving for rubber soles. Welcomed by cartoon sunsets, can weary bones be rested on the crank side of town, to the tune of domestic fights from open windows, with the tenor wailing away, way back in the rear half of the soundscape. Whereas the body needs sleep, the spirit ain't carrying no sleeping bag. In the death of India, in the high of Nepal, in the third eye vision in the fifth dimension, in the mirror of the needle in the smog of Surabaya, in the coolness of the mosque in the dreamland of hashish. In the arm of diverse women, in the dust of lonesome roads, in the valley of Bunia, in the night of Taj Mahal, in the snakeskin of Kaiba, in the alleyways of Hong Kong, in the velvet softness of Bali, in the whorehouse of Bombay, in the hippie land of Goa, in the spices of Madras, in the opium of Peshawar, in the streets of Singapore, in the ecstasy of acid, in the glowing heat of Shiva, in the firefly pursuit, in the bamboo love of Java, in the central spot of fear, in the grip of some protector, in the lizard song of madness, in the migratory freedom, in the amplified reverbs, in the carry-on of etc. Through thunderstorm corridors, quest for an ultimate dimension. Gone with the wind, nailed to a tree stump with a blunt screwdriver. Motorhead live. Wild wind. Hungry ghosts are heading for the turnstiles. Space metal crash landing in the junkyard with fluffy eardrums. An amphetamine Annie, sporting dry glands, has 1,000 legs on the dance floor. Weird constructions force strobe lights into wide open eye sockets. Dandruff alights, adding visuality to the soundscape. Balls are burning their way through the denim, while small hesitant groups of Nazis venture a quick salute to the Führer. Once in a while. A laughable bunch. Who cares? All attraction is to the red-hot lava flushing from the stage. Total embowelment without anesthesia. Message electronically incised flesh deep. If there's only one God, Marshall is his messenger. Ave. Silhouette of my beloved, embossed on the moon, defying the mist brought on by jealous goddesses of an as yet alien pantheon of unsaluted darlings. Kelp is in the air. You caught your place in the sun. On your own, you went walking. Cities danced off in a gas-blue haze. The world sneaked into your heart. You have a glance of the plains in your back, mountains at your feet. You yourself look towards the snows of the summit. Your heel will never catch root. There's always a hole behind the horizon where your longing crawls in. Behind you, a civilization slowly decays into its own parody. But what passes didn't you cross with your castle and your images? You bow your head only to the watershed, and with open mind pile stone on stones, while rocks are singing coolly at night. Your dreams take you back, down to the village dances, to the twinkle of brown eyes in the cornfields. Thoughtfully advancing on the alert, by natural force leaf fall finds him with his herds on